In this video, I'll show you how you can open images as layers in Photoshop. So let's jump into it. So what you need to do is go to File in the top left-hand corner, and you can do this whether you're in a document or not. Go to File, go to Scripts, then go to Load Files into Stack. Once you've clicked on that, you can then choose either a files or folder. If you've got a folder with all of the images in, you can select that folder, but I'm just going to choose Files, and then we'll click on Browse. And what we can do is select all of the files we want to import. So I've got a list of a few images here. So I'm going to hold down Control on the keyboard and click all of these images. Basically, you just need to highlight them in any way possible. Then click OK. Then it will load them all in here. And we can then go ahead and click on OK. That should open up a new document and it will start to add all of the images as layers. So there you go. We've done that. We've now got all of these images as layers. We can go and hide each of these layers and obviously edit each of these individual images. So I hope that video was clear. I hope it did help you out. Thank you for watching.